Hi guys, just washed my car, CRV Touring Edition all-wheel drive 2017. For some reason all-wheel drive is not working anymore, and I have basically all the sensors are failing right now. I have no idea why. I go to informations. Look, electric parking brake, road departure, collision. There's a problem with each and every sensor. I just washed my car. -5 degrees outside. Celsius, not Fahrenheit. There's a problem with each and every sensor. If you know how to reset this, or if you can give me a hand, please comment below, because I don't know what to do. Like, this is a brand new car. It's got 6,000 kilometers. I bought it with 0 kilometers like 6 months ago. I don't know what's happening. Thank you so much, guys.